see what's in here. Ooh, a blender. I'm not gonna need it. Another plug. I put my drink in here as y'all can see. This drink is the bomb, okay? Thebomb.com. There's the fridge. They give you like a little water jug. These are clean. Okay. Ooh, cutlery. Ooh. There's the cutting board. There's a little garbage. Another plug down there, okay? There's a dining table with a chandelier. And then there's that under there. There's a bowl. I guess this is for like a fruit bowl. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs around. Why is it so blurry? There we go. And then there's like a bunch of mirrors over here. Hi guys. And then there's this mirror thingy. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all to my room. This is the room I'm gonna choose because they said, when I looked online, they said this is the master bedroom, king size. So I don't know if this turns on, but look at this. I love this. I'll just charge my phone into this port. Okay. And then there's the alarm clock. I'm definitely going to be using that as an alarm clock. I'll probably use my phone. Who knows? Okay. There's the bed. So as soon as you walk in, you know. I didn't even finish the tour, y'all. Okay. I'm sorry, I just have to look through all the drawers just in case. Yeah, I'm in Orlando. I don't know why there's a book here, but okay. There's a next plug for you right here. Just gotta check through the corners, you know? What is this light? A next one. Okay. Oh, that's how you turn it on. Oh, okay. Then this is like, where is it? Oh my god, it's dark. I'm gonna show you outside quickly, but I guess I have to show you tomorrow. Okay, let me show you quickly. No, I'm gonna try the other one. Hold on. I took too much time chatting to y'all. Let me show you this quickly. There's a nice chair. There's this. There's a nice couch. There's 2 chairs. There's that. Big TV. Big TV. There's LG. I think it's cable over there. There's a DVD player. They said they put me on the 4th floor. I'm like, okay, that's good, because I ain't trying to go up those stairs. But then there's a, what is it called? There's an elevator this time. So this is just a window. Okay, now to go outside. Hold on, y'all. I can't open this. There we go. Okay, Okay, when I figure this out, I'll come back. So yeah, I found the problem. I see how protective they are. You gotta unhook this little thing over here. Why is my camera blurry? So there's a little hook. I don't know, my camera's blurry. Okay, there's a little hook over here. Gotta raise the bar. See, this bar just hangs down, and then oh, there's a lizard. Little lizard. I like how this is blocked off. They fenced it, like put a shed. And then this is back to my room. I gotta do the same thing with this bar over here. There's a little patio. There, I can eat. This cricket sound is scaring me. Meaning I need to go inside. It's late. Then it says here, please lock. Ouch. It says please lock all doors prior to leaving. So there are some steps. Hopefully tomorrow morning I can show you the rest of this because you cannot see properly, but yeah. So hot and humid. And then there, I gotta lock it up. There's down. Gotta get this bar. Put this key back. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. There's a little plug over there. Okay, let's go back to my room tour. So, this is my room. There's a little jacuzzi. See, this one's cleaner than Jamaica. I'm sorry, Jamaica, but this is a little dirty. There's a big mirror. Like, I'm taking this room. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care what nobody says. There's a little mirror here. Hey, how you doing? Ooh, the lights up. Okay. And then, yeah. There's a little soap. Lotion. Oh my god, that scared me. This is the same dryer. That freaking scared me. There's that. There's lots of tissues. There's that. The plug. There's the garbage. This is a closet. So I have a towel right here. There's my safe. Hangers. Whatever. There's my washroom. So how do I turn on that light? So there's a toilet. Let's see if the toilet is dirty. No, it's clean. And there's my little shower stand. I'm showering over here. Okay. It's gonna be lit videos up in here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show y'all this. So there's a light switch. So I just gotta go through this door. This is proper. Okay. And at last, my love has come along. My loneliness. Oh my god, I forgot to show y'all this. So I'll be sitting here, putting my leg up, you know. I think somebody's there. I'm sick with that. There. Let's see if I gotta close this. So tomorrow I'm gonna make sure I show you all the back of it because I didn't get to show you properly. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. This table is chipped. What happened over here? What happened? Let me record this before because they charge you $50 a day. I thought it was $100. He's like, if you do any charge to the room or any damages, okay. He says $10 a day, not 50. Sorry. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, so it's $10 a day. So yeah, I'm recording that just in case something happens. There's a table for yourself to look. There's 2 in 1. I forgot to show you these pictures. Those pillows right there. But yeah, this is the villa I'm gonna be staying in for a week, and it's called Royal Palms, Marriott Royal Palms. So, and it's close to the other one that I looked up, the Imperial or whatever. I'll write it down. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna be staying for a week. I'm enjoying it so far. Now I gotta go look for food, take off my shoes, take off my sweater, and then look for food, like call online or something and look for food because I'm hungry, and then go on Instagram and all that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog of my room tour at Royal Palms. I hope it's great. I'll let you guys know updates if I don't like this room or not, or I can't even talk, if I don't like this room or something pops up, you know. But yeah, I'm loving this room so far, so I'll let you guys know. I hope you guys like this. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.